Hello guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. In this video we are going to look at Atok, how you can earn real token and you withdraw it instantly. And if you have not started mining Atok, link in the video description. Start mining immediately. This is a project that is going to do well, and one good thing about this project is that as you are mining, you can withdraw to your MetaMask or Trust wallet in any of the Web3 wallet, and you have your token. They also made it possible that you can actually swap your Atok to USDT even though they have not yet listed. So right now I'm going to show you how you can actually mine Atok. Now over here I'm going to show you the everything. You can see this manage. Tap on this manage. So right now you can actually transfer your Atok. So you can actually transfer some Atok to your Trust wallet or MetaMask. If you click on transfer, all you have to do is to copy your Atok deposit address under BNB network. You have to import the Atok contract address in any of the Web3 and you copy it, then you put the amount. So right now the withdrawal fee has increased to 200 Atok. Before I think it was 100 Atok as withdrawal fee, but right now they have increased it. That to show you that this project really know what they are doing. It is not fake. They know what they are doing. They say limit is 1000 Atok per transfer once per day. So the limit now is 1000 Atok. That is the limit you can transfer, and you can transfer to your Trust wallet, MetaMask, or Bitget wallet. Now this is the limit, 1000. So you cannot withdraw if you don't have up to 1000. So over here, the receive session, you can actually receive Atok from a friend, and you also receive NFT. You can also receive NFT. If you're receiving Atok from a friend, you're going to receive it under BNB network. So if you're receiving NFTs, all you have to do is to copy the address and you're going to receive NFT. So start mining this project immediately. Now the daily rewards, all you have to do is to click on the daily checking, and you do this for 3 times. For daily checking, you are getting it. And right here you can see NFT redeem. Tap on this NFT. Over here they have given you free NFT. Once you sign in, they are going to give you free NFT, and you can actually sell this free NFT. And if you go to the store right here, this is where you see their collection. You can actually buy NFT and pay with your Atok balance, and you are going to withdraw it immediately. So this particular one is going to cost you 72,000 to get it, and it's going to give you $8. So this is for the NFT. So if you wish to buy Atok NFTs, you can actually purchase it with your Atok balance. So right now you have to do the game. They have a lot of games. If you click on the mission here, you need to watch game, but right now there is no video for you to watch. Once you watch it to the end token, if you go to your profile, you are going to see your referral link. You're going to see your pin and everything. So copy your referral link and share it with your families and friends to earn more points. If you click on this second point, you have a roulette, and we have a jackpot. These ones at the roulette, you can actually spin. And if each spin you use, you are going to use, each spin will cost you 5 Atok. If you are using spin, it's going to cost you 5 Atok. So you spin and get reward. If you lose, you are going to lose the 5 Atok, but if you gain, you are going to double your Atok. So right now I've gotten the 5 Atok, so I won. So you spin again. This is optional because you might lose and you lose everything. So before you spin, make sure you consider the risk and the loss involved. So that is for the roller. So right now, this is what you do daily to accumulate more Atok points. You can see this avatar. Tap on the avatar. So you need to answer daily quiz. What type of activity do you enjoy while traveling? One good thing about this daily activity is that they are repeating it. And if you give the answer B today and the next question you give the answer D, the same question, they are going to reduce your point. So make sure that you are answering correctly, so that whenever they repeat the same question, you will also get it correctly. Because if you do not give the correct answer, once the question comes up again, you may not actually know the one that you have used. What type of activity do you enjoy while traveling? Why traveling? I can't even remember what I choose. Relaxing on the beach. What's your main fitness goal? Flexibility, general health. How often do you check your credit score? So you are going to click occasionally. I check my credit score a few times a year. So you click on confirm. They are going to check it. You receive plus 0.15 points. Click on OK and complete 3 questions today. I've gotten 3.81 by answering the questions daily. So this is how you go about it to earn more Atok before the listing. So right now, join this airdrop and stay tuned for more updates. So every 3 hours you come back here and you click on daily check and you earn the point for the day. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video. An important information: I'm currently buying and selling USDT on Xenea plus all gas fee. If you want to do any business with me, reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I'm the admin, and I will reply instantly. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.